Good evening. You're watching Reporters Diary on the Eco of India's digital platforms. And before we move ahead with updates on different regions, let me share with you some important points which are in news this evening. First, Bihar. Former Bihar Chief Minister Jiten Ram Majhi today demanded a judicial inquiry into the death of Union Minister Ramvilas Paswan and accused his son Chirag Paswan, which prompted the LJP chief to claim it was a plot by Chief Minister Nitish Kumar to discredit him when election was going on. Chirag said Majhi should ask Prime Minister Narendra Modi about the issue. Next in news is Vijay Mallya. Supreme Court today asked the Union government to file status report in 6 weeks on the confidential legal proceedings pending in the United Kingdom on extradition of fugitive businessman Vijay Mallya to India. The centre had on October 5 told the Apex Court that the fugitive offender cannot be extradited to the country until a separate secret legal process in the UK, which is judicial and confidential in nature, is resolved. A bench of justices UU Lalit and Ashok Bhushan asked Solicitor General Tushar Mehta to file a status report in the matter in 6 weeks and posted it for hearing in the first week of January next year. Some news in the Congress party. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi will be attending rally of farmers protesting centre's 3 contentious farm legislations. In a statement, Tamil Nadu Congress chief K.S. Alagiri said the state Congress has planned to conduct protests in 150 locations in the state where tractors fitted with plows will be used in the agitation. The party would soon announce when the protests will be held, he said. On COVID, the Union Health Ministry has issued guidelines stating that COVID-19 facilities should have a provision for psychiatric consultation, noting the pandemic has induced mental health concerns, both pre-existing and new onset triggered by lifestyle restrictions and an uncertain future. The ministry has issued guidelines on managing mental illness in hospital settings during COVID-19, stating there are at least 3 groups affected by mental health concerns during the pandemic. Last, the USA elections. US President Donald Trump has denied that he is planning to prematurely declare victory after the presidential polls are over on Tuesday and hinted that he is gearing up for a legal battle against a vote count that stretched past election day. So these are the major points in news this evening. Now we look at what else is happening in the region.
Good evening, this is Riddhi Nandi and the news updates from Kolkata are the 12-hour bandh called by the BJP in Kalyani subdivision of Noida district today against the killing of their party worker evoked a mixed feelings as many shops were closed but vehicular movements remained normal as said by an official. A 34-year-old identified as Bijoy Sheel was found hanging from a tree near his house in Gayeshpur town on Sunday. The deceased nephew and BJYM town vice president Bappa Sheel said Bijoy Sheel had quit the TMC and joined the BJP before last year in Lok Sabha's election. He was murdered for joining the Saffron Party and his role in increasing the BJP's influence in Gayeshpur's municipality area. The BJP alleged that he was murdered by TMC for joining the Saffron Party. The TMC has, however, dismissed the allegation. In another development, the Damodar Valley Corporation has decided to regulate power generation up to 1000 megawatt in the power plant in West Bengal due to water scarcity. Following the damage to a log gate of Durgapur barrage, senior DVC officials say 2 power plants at Meja and Andal are said to be affected due to the lack of water caused by the log gate crisis. The log gate number 31 of Durgapur barrage suffered heavy damages and became non-functional. Sources say that if the log gate isn't repaired immediately, the situation will worsen, leading to a blackout and will also hit the steel production of the Durgapur steel plant.
Good evening. I'm Razia Begum from Andaman Nicobar Island. The first news is lack of ambulance in primary health center at Tugapur in North and in North Andaman has hit the healthcare system in the area badly, and compelling the patients to reach hospital in private transport during emergency situation. The Tugapur ambulance is under repair from the past 25 days, and this health center caters population from two panchayats, Pahalgaon and Chainpur. Even the needy patients from Webi village also availing the services from this PHC. So this ambulance should be repaired, and one more should be provided to facilitate these villagers. Another news is a 9 feet long king cobra was rescued from Kadamtala region in Middle Andaman. Expert snake handler Mr. Subroto Basu rescued the king cobra and released into protected surroundings. So that's all for now from Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
Viewers, this is all we have in Reporter's Diary this evening, but please do join us again tomorrow. Thanks for watching.